Hi, sweet friends, welcome back. Today I'm super excited to invite you over to our home for a cozy fall 2024 home tour. I'll share all the spaces that we decorated together, plus a few rooms that you haven't yet seen. If you're interested in any of the specific decor items that I decorated with, or if you want a more detailed look at the entire decorating process, you can refer back to the individual fall decorating videos, which I will have linked down below in the description box. So, friends, go ahead and grab your favorite fall drinks, snuggle up, and get cozy, and I hope you enjoy visiting. If you're stopping by for the first time, I wanted to quickly introduce myself. My name is Amy, and I'm so glad that you are here. I hope that you enjoy your time visiting today. Here on my channel, I love to share home decor, whether that be through seasonal home decorating series. And in these series, we decorate together room by room as I share my tips and tricks and all my ideas for creating a calm, cozy home. I also love to share shop with me's for home decor as we browse some of our favorite stores together. So if any of that content sounds like something that you would enjoy, I would love if you would consider subscribing before you go. Now, for all my returning friends, I thank you so much for spending your time with me once again, and for all your sweet comments and support. You all are simply the best. I hope that you've enjoyed my fall decorating series this year, and if you have, I would appreciate a big thumbs up. I also hope that you're enjoying today's home tour so far. I love finally getting to share each room with you now that it is fully decorated for fall all in one place. That way you can see how each room flows from room to room and how they coordinate and complement one another. The dining room finished up my fall decorating series, and I really love how it turned out. That goes to show you really don't have to buy new decor every season. I reused and displayed older pieces in this room, except for the new framed artwork over the buffet and a couple wooden pumpkins. I'd say one of my most valuable tips is to stick with a similar color palette each year and rotate decor pieces from room to room and use them differently. That way you get a fresh new look every year without spending much. I'll go ahead and link last year's home tour so you can see how I do this and get even more fall decorating ideas.
I can feel there is somebody here, and he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears, lets me know there's a heaven up there. Yeah, he's reaching out his hand to me to wash away my tears. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you. I hear angels from up above. They sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah. I can see though my eyes are all closed. Yeah, he gives me strength to carry on and always lets me know that I'm fine just the way he made me. Every perfect imperfection is all because of him. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you. I hear angels from up above. They sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah. I can feel there is somebody here, and he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you. I hear angels from up above. They sing hallelujah.
I hope you enjoyed seeing how I decorated our home office for fall, and now you're getting a quick peek into our guest bathroom. I just can't help myself. I like our whole home to have the same color story throughout so that it flows cohesively from room to room. You'll have to let me know, do you decorate your bathrooms and offices for the season, or do you just like to hit your main areas? I'd love to hear. As fall decorating comes to an end, we'll be switching gears to all things Christmas, so I hope you're excited and ready for that. I thank you so much for visiting. If you did enjoy this year's fall home tour or found it helpful in any way, I'd appreciate a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'd love to have you back. As we wrap up your visit, I always love to end our time together by sharing a daily Bible verse. Today I'll be reading from Psalm 40, verse 16. But may all who seek you rejoice and be glad in you. May those who love your salvation say continually, "Great is the Lord." I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will see you real soon in my next one. Take care and God bless, friends. Bye.